Number of bands appear in IR spectrum. Practically, it is either more or less as compared to the number of bands calculated theoretically by using the formula 3n minus 6 for non-linear molecule and 3n minus 5 for linear molecule. The number of bands in the IR spectrum increases due to overtones and combination tones. Overtones are the frequency at multiple of a particular frequency, and therefore if any vibrational band appear in the IR spectrum at the value x centimeter inverse, so its first overtone will be 2x, second overtone will be 3x, 4x, 5x, so on. So a multiple peak appear for a particular vibrational bands due to overtones, and combination tone is two bands if they have the similar vibrational frequency. So a new band appear in the IR spectrum which have a combination of two bands that have very close vibrational frequency. So due to overtone and combination tones, number of bands in the IR spectrum increases, but the number of bands also decreases in IR spectrum as compared to its theoretical values due to several reasons. Number one, all those bands for which the vibrational frequency is beyond the range of 4000 centimeter inverse to 400 centimeter inverse. So actually in IR spectrum, the range of wave number is 4000 centimeter inverse to 400 centimeter inverse. So all those bands that have the vibrational frequency either more than 4000 centimeter inverse or either less than 400 centimeter inverse will not be appear in this IR spectrum. Second thing, all those vibrational bands whose frequency is very less, that cannot be detected by the detector, and therefore it will not appear in the IR spectrum. There are several bands found in IR spectrum like this. So the intensity of these bands are very low, that's why we consider them as and therefore it is omitted in the IR spectrum. Point number 3, if two different bands have very close their vibrational frequency, and therefore in the IR spectrum the bands for two vibrational frequency like this, bands for two different vibrational frequency coalesce, and therefore we consider only one band instead of two bands. Point number 4, those vibrations which do not change the dipole moment of the molecule will not appear in the IR spectrum of the molecule. So these are the points by which the number of bands in the IR spectrum is found less as compared to the number of bands that should be appear as per their theoretical value. Now coming on coupled interaction. Coupled interaction is the interaction between two fundamental vibrations. If two bond oscillators share a common atom and the individual vibrational frequency of two bonds, if they are very close to each other, then a strong interaction occurs between the two vibrational band, and the actual band shifted either in the lower frequency or higher frequency in the IR spectrum. For example, in case of carbon dioxide molecule, carbon dioxide molecule have two different C double bond O group. In isolated C double bond O group in any organic compound, a band for this C double bond O group is found at 1715 centimeter inverse. In practically in IR spectrum of CO2 molecules, two bands appear in the IR spectrum, that is at 2350 centimeter inverse So a band appear in the IR spectrum for CO2 molecule, that is for asymmetrical stretching. Asymmetrical stretching at 2350 centimeter inverse. The band for symmetrical stretching does not appear in the spectra of carbon dioxide because symmetrical stretching vibration does not change the dipole moment of the molecule, and therefore it is not appear in the IR spectrum of the molecule. But it is appear at 1340 centimeter inverse in Raman spectrum of carbon dioxide molecule. Actually, the principle of Raman spectrum is somewhat different from the IR spectroscopy. The Raman spectroscopy is based on the change in polarizability of the molecule, but IR spectroscopy is based on the change in dipole moment of the molecule. So, by symmetric vibration of CO2 molecule do not change the dipole moment of the molecule, and therefore it is not appear in IR spectrum, but it is appear in Raman spectrum of CO2 molecule. So, but vibration in CO2 molecules occur at 1340 centimeter inverse. So, these two bands appear in these two bands should be appear in the IR spectrum, but this vibration does not change the dipole moment of the molecule, and that's why it is not present in the IR spectrum of the compound. But interaction occur between the two bands that vibrate at 1715, and due to the interaction of these two bands at 15, interaction occurs between these two fundamental bands, and due to this interaction, a band is shifted in the lower frequency at 1340 centimeter inverse, and another band shifted in higher frequency at 2350 centimeter inverse. So this is the example of coupled interaction of CO2 molecule. Now coming on the conditions at which coupled interaction takes place. So coupled interaction between the fundamental vibrations occurs only when, number one, if two bond oscillators share a common atom between them. For example, in CO2 molecule have two different C double bond O bond, but carbon is common for these two bond oscillators. So coupled interaction occurs between these two CO bond. Point number two. coupled interaction will be greatest if the vibrational frequency for these two bond oscillator should be is very close to each other, and the degree of interaction decreases as the differences in the vibrational frequency up to these two bands increases. Point number 3, if two different bond oscillators is separated by one or more than one carbon atom, then coupled interaction will be very weak, and if separation increases by the number of carbon atoms, this interaction, the chances of coupled interaction decreases. Point number 4, interaction between a fundamental stretching vibration and a bending vibration occurs if the stretching bond form an angle of a side of changing angle. So if bending occurs between these three atoms, so interaction occurs between the stretching and bending vibrations if this bond stretches and it forms a side of this changing angle. Next point is interaction between two different bending vibrations occurs if two different changing angles share a common bond. For example, one changing angle is this and another changing angle is this, and this bond is common for these two changing angles. So when interaction can be takes place in between these two changing angles. And now coming on Fermi resonance. In case of coupled interaction, we have seen interaction occurs between two fundamental bands, but in case of Fermi resonance, interaction occurs between a fundamental vibrational band and overtone or combination tone. For example, in case of CO2 molecule, due to the stretching vibration, symmetrical stretching vibration of CO2 molecule, a band should be appear at 1340 centimeter inverse in IR spectrum, but this band is not present in the IR spectrum of CO2 molecule because symmetric stretching vibration of CO2 molecule does not change the net dipole moment of the molecule, but this band appear in the Raman spectra of CO2 molecule. And for bending vibration of CO2 molecule, a band appear in IR spectrum of CO2 molecule at 666 centimeter inverse. First overtone of this bending vibration is appear at 1334 centimeter inverse in the IR spectrum of CO2 molecule. So this is the first overtone of bending vibration of CO2 molecule, and this 1340 that is not appear in the IR spectrum, but it is appear in the Raman spectrum of the CO2 molecule, and interaction between this symmetrical stretching vibrational band, that is fundamental vibrational band, and first overtone of bending vibration occurs, and due to this interaction two bands appear in the IR spectrum of CO2 molecule at 1286 centimeter inverse and 1388 centimeter inverse. Actually, due to interaction of this fundamental vibrational band and first overtone of bending vibration, one band is shifted in the higher wave number region and another band shifted in the lower wave number region. This is the example of Fermi resonance. Due to the Fermi resonance, a doublet appear in the spectrum of cyclopentanone at 1740 centimeter inverse. In case of pentanone, interaction occurs between the stretching vibration of C double bond O and bending vibration of this CH band at alpha position, and due to this interaction a doublet like this appear at 1740 centimeter inverse in the spectrum of 2-pentanone. This is due to the Fermi resonance system. Now coming on the effect of hydrogen bonding on IR spectrum of the compound. We know that hydrogen bond is formed between two groups, in which one group act as proton donor. This act as a proton donor, and the group which have the tendency to accept the proton, suppose it's a Y group, and it has lone pair of electron. So this group which have the lone pair of electron has the ability to accept the proton, and a hydrogen bond is formed between these two groups. Several organic functional groups which act as a hydrogen donor are alcohol group, carboxylic acid group, amide group, amine group, etc. And the group which have the tendency to accept the proton having lone pair of electron, and these groups have atoms like oxygen, nitrogen, and halides like chloride, bromide, and iodine. So hydrogen bond can take place between these groups, and all those groups which have these atoms which have the ability to accept the proton due to presence of lone pair of electron. And of course this hydrogen bond is formed by the overlapping of s orbital of proton and p orbital of the atom which have the lone pair of electron, and if s orbital and this pi orbital are collinear, then a strong hydrogen bond is formed between these two groups. So due to the formation of hydrogen bonding, the force constant of the bond decreases. Suppose we are taking the example of OH group, alcohol. So between two molecules of alcohol, hydrogen bond is formed. Due to the formation of this hydrogen bond, the force constant for this OR bond and this OH bond decreases. And we know that in the formula, frequency is equal to 1 upon 2 pi c under root k upon mu, where k is force constant. So the frequency of absorption band is directly proportional to the force constant, and if due to the formation of hydrogen bond this force constant decreases, then the band for this function group will be shifted in the lower frequency as per this formula. So due to formation of hydrogen bonding, the force constant of both bond which act as a proton donor and which act as a proton acceptor decreases, and due to decrease in the force constant, the frequency of absorption is also decreases, and band for these two groups shifted in the lower frequency, but the intensity of the peak increases along with the widening of the peak. So there are two different types of hydrogen bonding. Number one, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and another one is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding occurs between two molecules of the same chemical species or two different chemical species, but intramolecular hydrogen bonding is formed in a single compound which have two different functional groups, in which one group acts as a proton donor and another group acts as a proton acceptor. So both intramolecular and intermolecular hydrogen bonds depend on the temperature. As the temperature increases, the chances of hydrogen bonding decreases. Another thing is that the strength of intermolecular hydrogen bonding increases as the concentration increases, but when dilution of the sample, when sample diluted, then the chances of intermolecular hydrogen bonding decreases, but dilution do not affect the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So intermolecular hydrogen bonding, if occurs in any compound and it is diluted, then the effect of hydrogen bonding disappear in the spectra of the compound which have intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but the effect of hydrogen bonding does not affected in compounds which have intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Now coming on the electronic effect, as we know that if the force constant of a particular bond increases, then its absorption frequency also increases, because the absorption frequency is directly proportional to its force constant of the bond. But when the masses of the atom that forming the bond increases, then frequency shifted toward the lower frequency, because the absorption frequency is inversely proportional to the masses of the atom forming the bond. In case of CH bond, the absorption band appear between 2800 centimeter inverse to 3000 centimeter inverse. But in case of NH in amine group, we can see that the band appear between 3400 wave number to 3600 wave number. This is because nitrogen is more electronegative as compared with carbon, and as the electronegativity of the nitrogen increases, the force constant between the N and CH bond also increases, which is less in case of CH bond. But when we compare the OH bond with NH, we know that electronegativity of oxygen is more as compared to nitrogen, but the band in IR spectrum of OH group appear between 3200 to 3400 centimeter inverse, while it is 3400 centimeter inverse to 3600 centimeter inverse. Why the force constant in case of OH bond is more as compared to NH bond, but the band appear at somewhat lower frequency as compared to NH bond, and this is because when the force constant of OH bond increases, simultaneously the masses also increases. The weight of oxygen is more as compared to nitrogen, and that's why, though the force constant increases here, but mass also increases, and therefore its frequency is found somewhat less as compared to the frequency of NH bond. In case of single bond, we can see that in case of C single bond C, C single bond O, C single bond N, the absorption band appear between 1300 to 800 centimeter inverse. But in case of double bonds like C double bond C, C double bond O, C double bond N double bond O, absorption frequency is found between 1500 to 1900 centimeter inverse, because double bond have somewhat more S character, and we know that as the S character of the bond increases, then its force constant also increases, and therefore the frequency of absorption band is found somewhat at higher frequency in case of double bond as compared to single bond functional group. Similarly, in case of triple bond, we can say that the band appear in the IR spectrum between 2200 to 2300 centimeter inverse, because here S character also increases, and therefore the bond constant increases, and as the bond constant increases, the absorption frequency shift up toward the higher wavelength. In case of halide, we can see that here H in halogen series, we move from top to bottom, the electronegativity of halide atom decreases, and therefore fluorine is more electronegative as compared to the chlorine, and chlorine is more electronegative as compared to the bromine. So in case of carbon and halide bond, we can see that in case of CF bond, the absorption band appear between 1000 to 1400 centimeter inverse, while it is found somewhat at lower frequency in case of CCl bond, that is 550 to 850 centimeter inverse, and in case of CBr bond, this absorption frequency further decreases to 550 to 690 centimeter inverse. Thank you so much.